Welcome. In this video I will show you how to make the image sharper on your Samsung ViewFinity S8. To do that, we're gonna have to access the windows of our operational system. So in my case it's gonna be Windows. So we go in Windows, we go to Start menu. In Apple, in macOS and MacBooks, we go to Apple menu. Then we go to Settings. Then we go to System in Windows, and then we select Display. In macOS, you will have Display right away. Then we're gonna have to select our second monitor and click Apply. Now, this is for Windows devices only. If you don't see two separate displays, duplicate this displays to extend this displays right here. Scroll down to Display Orientation, and here you can select any orientation that you like up to 4K. And the 4K will be the sharpest one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.